How do I reset my Skullcandy earbuds to fix charging issues?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to walk through how to reset your Skullcandy earbuds. This is a common fix for charging issues, and it's fairly simple to do. It's also a handy trick to have up your sleeve if your earbuds are not working as they should. Let's dive right in.
What you'll need.
Before you start the process, there are a few things you'll need. Your Skullcandy earbuds, the charging case that came with your earbuds, a power source to plug the charging case in to make sure the charging case has some power. If not, charge it first.
The reset procedure.
Here's a step-by-step guide on resetting your Skullcandy earbuds. 1. Remove the earbuds from the charging case. 2. Turn off the earbuds. Usually, this involves holding down the main button on each earbud for a few seconds until the lights turn off. 3. Place the earbuds back in the charging case. 4. Now comes the main reset process. Hold down the button on each earbud for approximately 10 seconds. You should see the LED lights flash multiple colors. 5. Release the buttons. Your earbuds should now be reset.
Testing the earbuds.
Once you've reset your earbuds, it's time to check if the charging issue has been resolved. 1. Remove the earbuds from the charging case. They should automatically turn on. 2. Connect the earbuds to a device to check if they're working. Make sure this is a device they've been connected to before. 3. If everything seems fine, place the earbuds back in the charging case and observe if they're charging normally. You should see a light indicating that they are charging. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Skullcandy earbuds. This should hopefully resolve any charging issues you were experiencing. Remember, if you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Skullcandy customer support for more help. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.